Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tao, making noodle soup. How to utilize the leftover dish to combine to add more ingredient, created a very delicious part of the noodle soup. Sesame oil, ginger and garlic. I'm using my Dutch oven to cook it. Turn the heat a little higher now. I got this beautiful chopped chili. And here I have this leftover from the yesterday stir fry with seaweed, yu cai, mushroom, bell pepper, and onion. Add it in. Just from the leftover, give them a quick stir. When the food leftover with this flavor, they can make a lot of good stock. It's different. Sometimes you have like, my favorite is like the whole fish. If you have braised whole fish leftover to making soup, that will be perfect. And here, I have this ingredient, which is the fish ball with some squid, octopus, baby shrimp, clam, and mussel. You can get this at the Asian store or the Japanese stores. Okay, let's put it in. Now we are creating a new pot of flavor to make soup. We're just gonna heat it up. And I want to introduce you any kind of cucumber. It's really good for the broth. We used to do a lot of broth with just vegetable, plain vegetable. And cucumber is very sweet. If you add cucumber into your stock, very nice. A lot of people ask me how to make like a soup broth, right? I usually like to use like beef knuckle bone or chicken bone because the bone marrow can extract all the flavor, and you gotta simmer the soup for like maybe a few hours. That create a very rich soup. Okay, so now this is good. I'm just gonna add a little sake to balance the flavor. I'm gonna go really slow, okay? For those who follow me for a few years back, you can do it. Now you have to be really creative. You have to be really brave and just go do it. This is cooking. You created your own meal. For those just found me, if not sure about cooking, you can go back to my channel. I have over 600 some video. The cooking video can help you. Alright, so this is a good flavor. I'm gonna add just plain water because they already have lots of flavor here. If you want to add chicken stock or any other stock will be good. Homemade I prefer, because the store one usually have a lot of sodium. Here's about 6 to 8 cups. I eyeball it. I want to make sure it has a lot of soup. Like this. Okay? Right? Look at this. Now you have more soup. Now you tell me this soup not going to be great flavor. It's not oily, not greasy. I give it a quick stir. Create a new balance. And I have some udon noodle here or any kind of noodle that you like to add into it, that's fine. And I have some dry seaweed too as well, and extra vegetable. So I'm going to have more like a soup vegetable type of the soup more than the noodle. So I'm going to let them bring up to a simmer or boil. Cover up for a few minutes. Okay, beautiful. See that? Nice. See, they now created a beautiful broth. I have some dry seaweed. Dry seaweed is really good with the soup. It gives you a lot of flavor. Like when you go out eat the ramen noodle, they use a lot of kabu, the really strong, super hard seaweed. Like that. And then I have this miso. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Let them slowly cook. I got this about 4 tablespoons miso. And I just mix with like a tap water, really warm tap water. And just dissolve it. Because sometimes they come into little paste. They're hard to dissolve. Right? And now, I'm gonna give the broth a quick try. Mix it up. Oh my goodness. So clean, the miso, and I can taste all the leftover flavor. It's very clean, have a very unique umami flavor. I can tell all this fish ball and the seafood mix. Got a really nice little seafood taste to it. You know what's really good for soup is the blue crab with the shell, the seafood with the shell. So here, I'm probably gonna add some salt. The flavor is really good. Watch. I think that's good. And that suit your taste. Black pepper. Here you can add any kind of noodle that you like. You can cook the noodle on the side, which I did. I have udon noodle. I just put it in the tap water, hot tap water, and just soak it for like a couple of minutes. Drain it out. Isn't that beautiful? Right? And then you want to crack egg, everything you like. Remember, it's cooking your own way. I got some beautiful vegetable in. Right? So now let's say your pot is, you need more broth. Guess what? Add more stock or water. That's how you do it. Right? And then sesame oil. But a very important part is you don't want to serve until your soup bring up to a simmer again. Why? Because that will tell you the flavor will be balanced out. And second of all, you want the soup bring up to a boiling, so prevent not easier to get spoiled. You want to have everything rise up to the right temperature, right? So, okay. Dutch oven, they're not gonna quickly boiling, but they kind of like a slow cook. So I know I don't have to worry too much. But at home, if you regular soup pot, they will go really fast if you cover up with the lid. I'm gonna let them bring up to a simmer. Oh boy. That's delicious. Delicious. Beautiful soup. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna turn it off. Give the final try. Wow, it's very good. I'm not even joking. It's so good. I'm gonna take some for myself. Some noodle. And some ingredient vegetable. Something like that. Oh yeah, I think that's good. Now for me, I'm gonna save some for my family. And then I'm gonna get some seaweed, vegetable, fish ball, and my favorite mixed seafood. Oh yeah. I love soup. Especially when the cold weather, soup is perfect. Like that. So good. My friend, now you just created a very beautiful recipe. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Keep cooking. Wow. Hot. But I like it hot. So good. The fish ball. Yummy.